Welcome back to Big Saj Builds, where today we're starting off in the unit and we're going to be changing out the studs for near enough 1,000 horsepower Honda Civic EG. So we're going to put these studs onto this bad boy here. These are absolutely messed. Jamin, you naughty boy, how have you managed that? Let's get to it. So this is our setup at the hub, 32mm, and a whole load of shit. Number one cowboy. Well, ain't gonna work. We got it first try. Jam. You owe us a 10-second car. There we go. Happy days, baby. So one out. One stud just fell out. We just pushed the other three out. That's 2 out of 4 out. What a dude. It's the first one out. All-wheel drive EG. Just gotta take the donor studs out now. Getting these bad boy studs out. Oh, that's gonna go flying. Was going some sketchy, scary shit, Sabil.
At least you caught you somewhere.
Daima.
This man's wearing gloves to drive a car. He's got his shoes off. You're not in my house, Jam, in my car.
I don't. It's stolen car to get it.
So we are going to Jesse's to finish off doing the studs.
Oh my god, it's been a headache.
So we were pressing them out, and then we ran into an issue.
Yes.
The EP3 ones that Jamie gave us were the wrong ones.
Yes.
Because he's a fool.
But
and then, Jamie, how much have you bought since then?
6
packets?
No.
6 different sets?
6, and then we ordered some more off Amazon, which we cancelled the order last night.
So 7.
So, we bought enough, up and down, left and right. One set cost me 60 quid. The other set, extra one, cost me, I think, 40 quid. Now, then been speaking to a lot of people in America, and you can't buy just the hubs themselves because they're for my DSS 5.9 shafts. So we spoke to Tri-State, and he goes, I've got the studs on shelf, DSS ones. So big up to Tri-State. He gave me he sent me a picture. He was going to post them out for me on Friday with my slicks and stuff, but I managed to find them down the road from the garage. So I bought that set, and it's worked. I think it's worked anyway. It should work now. And guess what? The transfer box is coming tomorrow.
That's exciting.
Oh, sorry. I got a bit excited.
It's okay. But you know, when I've seen it, I'm telling you, it looks like an alien part, like from a spaceship.
Yo, I can't wait.
It looks whammers.
I'm going to open it up tomorrow when it turns up. Madras? What the hell is this, a restaurant?
Chicken Madras Eatery. Hey?
It's one of them companies, isn't it? Where Billy
Ghost Kitchen.
Ghost Kitchen.
So now,
but oh there. Got you again, Sajada. OG cuts.
You should have said that to them, innit? When you're finding your freaking wheel studs.
Taking a piss.
They need the
So you put your 24 karat gold inlet on it.
Bro, you know how much hate that got? Yeah, I'm changing it. 3 separate people.
Wasn't it the first thing I said to you? Was it the first thing I said to you?
But you the one who freaking gave me the geezer?
Yeah, but I gave you for the ECU, not the inlet.
Yeah, because you got an inlet as well. I was safe, I'll take it.
Yeah, but no, I didn't. Because I said you buy a side feed, so center feed.
That's a side feed.
I thought you and Biggie bought the same one.
A Biggie. Huh?
What you think? Okay.
So now, just to make things easier, we're just gonna press everything here. We got a new wheel bearing as well.
But it's got another EG selling on.
Oh yes. So we'll press everything in Jesse's garage. Jesse gonna help us out. Saves us from running back and forth.
Should we run over Devi?
Because Jarwin has put some serious miles in. Go on. Here's a BMT. Look, and there's a BMT as well up there.
We used to be BMT. We used to be here. This used to be.
Oh look. Says
contamination type danger to contamination risk. What the fuck happened in this? So basically, we come to garage EP3, right? And I met Hasia, yeah? And I just told him that I retired his blue tail. Yeah. And he's like, wait, anyway. So now the challenge is build a stock bottom end, K24 or K20.
Yeah, anything.
You're allowed to do head work, and we're gonna race it out. So if you think you can join the crew, link us up, and it's gonna happen.
So he said,
look, you can hear him, so he's locked in now.
Yeah, 100%. I'm locked into that.
Locked in.
I'm gonna prove EPs once again. I can kill any K-swap.
Watch, I'm annihilating. Last time he said I was a washed up.
Everyone knows Blue Ted dealt with a few K-swap. Everyone knows this. Come back and deal with a few more K-swap.
a boosted EP3.
We are gonna check piston.
Yeah,
Fun.
100%.
We're going to check pistons with the wall camera and everything, make sure that it's stock pistons, but you're allowed to do headwork.
Headwork, the stock.
Any fuel as well?
Any fuel,
Any tyres?
no arm on race fuel.
Any everything?
Everything.
Alright, yeah.
Debbie, you heard them, right, yeah? That's it.
You
So we got one witness, two witness, three witness, I'm a witness, you're a witness, and the
on
viewers,
the cam.
my little 10,000 viewers.
There we go, let's hide him there.
Oh, wait. Look.
There you go, he's hidden, he's shook on it.
You got it, yeah?
Yeah, what you racing for?
Bragging, I got his £50 still, which I won last time.
Framed up.
I want to go find that, but Dippy robbed and gave it back.
Oh, yeah.
We bought these to Jesse now. I'm going to get these fitted, the new studs, bearing, and everything. Let's go. Jesse patterned it. Obviously, we just used his press. Done, dusted, ready to go. Okay, put the wheel and everything back on, and then transfer box.
Where's the transfer box?
It's in the post.
In the posty.
Posty.
So Jamie, what have you done here, mates? What have you got in your hands?
Got the hub. We've got the discs.
We got a new fucking ball joint too.
A new ball joint, eh?
Alrighty, mate. Excuse me.
Now we're just putting these on. I don't remember which one was the dodgy one, but
It doesn't matter.
it doesn't.
But you're not going to gun them on ever again, are you, Jam?
No, I am, but
No.
not all of them.
What the?
I had a pulsar, right?
Yeah.
And then the Fed stopped me. And obviously, back then I was first in the policy. My dad was second. No, my dad was first. I was
You
second.
were second.
And
Did they say to you, why are you coming fast?
they said to me, so you're telling us your dad, age of 50 something,
He's driving a Pulsar.
likes a Pulsar? Oh yeah, it's a classic car, isn't it? Bastards. Why is this hub so heavy, man? So you didn't buy no food, man. What's wrong with you?
You need a creeper stool as well.
Stop buying me tools, man.
I ain't buying you shit, man.
I know.
Yourself. Where's Musa? I ain't seen Musa in so long.
He's at home today as well.
Big Saj. He's not well.
He's got a cough.
Leave him at home.
We got a mission to go to on Friday.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shizzle, yeah.
Last time we went to that mission, you was in. Can you not bring that same
You made
illness?
me ill.
Don't try that, bro.
You made me ill. You made my family ill. You made everybody ill.
You made me ill, bro. Okay, listen. The viewers have to decide. We linked up, yeah? This geezer got ill on the journey. I was fine, and then I got ill 2 days after. So who started off?
Him.
You did.
It was him. He was
Ain't it?
asymptomatic. Headache. But glad the job's done now. Panjo style. Rico.
He's got an EP3 now. You can't talk with your car.
EG's better, man, but it's alright.
Thank you.
Where's your car, Saj?
Which one? Chama Jag's right there.
To be honest, I'm not even gonna lie. You got the Jag probably, do you?
The Jag will spank you, Rico. Where's the impact gun?
See, when I use tools, you laugh at me. I can't win, bro.
You can't. You can on the drag strip. Oh.
I'm not gonna win this year.
Inshallah, you will. You win something. You can win the hearts of the people.
They don't pay bills.
Okay, you can win the hearts of the sponsors.
Oh, my daughter eats the world of Dixie.
There you go.
She loves Dixie.
What's the go-to Dixie meal? Go on.
She has to have a 2-piece chicken and chips.
Alright.
They both have to be leg pieces.
Alrighty then.
That's what she enjoys. And she needs to have 3 fries with it.
Just 3.
No.
Individual 3 freaking packs of fries.
3 packs of fries.
Okay.
And you know what? She won't even eat all of them, but she wants all of them there like a mountain.
Okay, you know what the heck? Don't move, Jam. Don't fucking move, and let me get this on camera. You're telling me this geezer has living creatures in his head?
What's in my head now?
A spooter?
A spider?
Yeah.
You took it out?
No, you did.
Mine, man. It's alright, man. Trying to be like Spider-Man.
This bar. Have you banned bar from the workshop?
Nah.
Bar, calm down.
Bar chilling, bro.
He's done on me for breakfast while I seen him. He ain't got the wrong size, Jamin.
No.
Oh.
Jokes on you. Jokes on you, bitch.
You said,
Look.
You said, oh.
Ha, ha, ha.
You said, oh.
Yeah, because you forgot to fucking put on the
spacer.
No.
Oh. That's dangerous, Jamin.
You know, once I forgot to put one on a car, yeah?
Oh.
And drove it round and everything was fine. Until the car come back, then I realised I didn't put it on.
Jamie, what's the torque setting for that?
For what? This? I'm going to show you. I actually do that professionally, you know.
Bro, you know, the geezer gives me stress. It's not my car and I'm stressed, you know.
So, the first part of the torque setting is 36 mil, right? And
Yeah.
then... Yeah?
Yeah.
And then you hold the disc.
Yeah.
And then you just... Don't turn no more. That means it's torqued. Okay? It not come off now. Not come off.
Bro, I'm reporting you.
And I've been doing that for the last 100 years.
Yeah.
And alhamdulillah, till date,
Alhamdulillah.
nothing has come off. So I don't like change, as everyone knows. But then,
They look so much better. What do you reckon?
fuck's sake.
Told you about the spacer. You said no.
But I don't know about that. The only reason we're running spacer because they get caught on that. This is good for your liking.
I mean, you can gun it, but don't.
No, I want to.
Go on then.
I'm scared.
Look at how much headache this caused you. Don't know about you. It didn't give me that much headache, but you know.
No, what is it?
Yes, I get stressed.
Supposed to be my boy in there, and you don't even like get headache from my stress.
I get migraine instead, not headache.
No, isn't it? Ah! You see this?
Yeah.
Same colour as you, isn't it?
I ain't got that shit no more.
Yes, you have, bro. It's on your vehicle. Your 400 brake. No, sorry. Your 500 brake. What you wanted to put?
I thought people were taking the piss because he looks ugly. I thought, yeah, he looks ugly. He'll do the job, man.
To be honest, I think he still to do the job.
Hi, welcome to BMT. Oh, brrr, brrr, brrr. Yeah. Brrr. I'll crop that bit out because I don't think that's pretty funny. I think that's rude. I don't mind.
You're just butt hurt because you're in that shit.
I'm scrapping it.
Then we can check it afterwards, innit? See, I do know how to use Ogadogur. Okay, we need to do something now. We'd rather do this quickly now and get it out of the way. We need to recalibrate.
Calibrate.
Calibrate. And calibrate.
It is calibrate.
So why the fuck you think when I say window?
We take blog link biggie. We take.
So what we gotta do is we gotta recalibrate the sequential gear position sensor. But the only way we're gonna do that is
we need to drive it.
Yes, but obviously we can't. So I'm gonna put the battery on, put the car on. I'm gonna reset it, click it. Then I'm gonna put it in first gear when it asks me. Turn the wheel.
Oh, do it by hand?
Yes.
Oh, sick. This will be interesting.
So
we got jamming in the car. Jams in the car.
Selector.
Oh, he's gonna calibrate his gear stick. Okay. You gotta do it manually apparently. I have to freaking turn this wheel.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, bro.
You ready? You ready like Freddy? Okay, ignition. It says we're in gear 2 at the moment.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Spin the wheel. That's okay, you don't need to spin that one. Spin, yeah. Well, it says I'm in 1 now. Oh, I got reverse. Neutral. Spin it, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Spin it. Spin it. Spin. Spin again. Spin again. Spin it. Spin it. Spin it. And then we can go. Spin again. One more. One more. Neutral. And then we got reverse. And that's it. And that's calibrated now.
Can I borrow this setup, Jam? I just, gotta test it.
Take it.
No.
No, take it right now.
Right now.
So fuel takes in, but obviously we need to get Gordon to log back into it because we thought we put a map on it, but the output hasn't switched the pump on, so I can't make it work. That's in a few days. I need to
Crucial bit of kit.
yeah, with this, you don't set this so it could kill your box. So this is a very important part.
So that'll shift here like as soon as you put a tiny bit of pressure on it.
yes.
You pressure on your face.
Oh, bust my face there, brother. Oh, you know what I gotta do? And then that hooks up into that piece there. That's why we put a metal plate in, so we can make this more sturdy. Because basically, if that vibrates,
Sets it off.
it will set it off. This is so hopefully.
Oh, calm down, Musa.
Listen, that's where my son gets it from.
Yeah, I think you got it off him. What came first, Musa or the Surfer?
Ooh, it was a close one, I think it was Surfer,
Oh my god.
But Musa was born in Surfer Day, like same year.
Oh, I was gonna say he's born inside the Surfer.
We're gonna have 2 ECUs this time, okay?
One for each engine.
No, one's gonna calibrate me, and one's gonna be for the car. This is the most important ECU because this is a second ECU. But when this car was getting made, I did say it was getting made for Musa.
This blue one.
Yeah. No,
The
Surfer, sorry. But along the lines, it's become my daughter's this. She likes Surfer. and he likes all the other cars.
Nice.
So the all-wheel drive is ready for its first startup. We're just waiting. Tomorrow morning we should get the transfer box, fit that on, start it, bleed everything, ready for the world.
Smoke some fools.
Anybody that wants it, all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, 1,000 brake, 2,000 brake, 3,000 brake, 900 brake, whatever, anything.
300 brake.
From a launch, from a roll, from any speed you want, from anything.
Yeah, ready?
But look, if you put it in there, you're gonna go a lot in, a lot more in.
Taking the freaking piss.
Even the car talks.
Now everything's done, dusted. What you waiting for, Jam? You got something special on the way, do you not?
I've got a billet drag cartel transfer case with hypoid gears to go with my sequential. So, ready. What?